What's going on, everybody? My name's Matt. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing my new Remark BOSO exhaust. It's a BOSO Edition is what it's called. It's not actually, you know, like the crazy BOSO Zuko, like stick way outside the bumper kind of exhaust, but it's inspired by that a little bit, and I think it's going to be really cool. So first I'm going to cut to some stock exhaust clips here. And then at the end of the video, you'll hear what it sounds like afterwards. I can't wait to unleash the Boxer Rumble. Let's go, guys. Now, you might be thinking, I'm sure Matt has installed an exhaust on a Subaru WRX before. I actually have not. I have no idea what I'm doing. And yes, this is a play on TJ Hunt's earlier videos because TJ Hunt is a boss and I love his earlier videos. Yeah, I don't know how to do this really. I'm just gonna get under there and start unbolting stuff and see what happens. I think it'll be easy though. I'm pretty sure it's just 4 bolts, but I guess we'll find out here soon. First of all, you can see my exhaust is rusty. That stock exhaust looks like trash, so yeah, the stock catback's gotta go here soon. It also looks like I was right, just 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there, and these mufflers should just come off. They're pretty hot right now, so I think I'm just gonna unbolt first and then take them off here after it cools down a little bit. So the next thing you've got to do after these 2 bolts are done is get the exhaust hangers off. So there's 1 and then there's 2 right there, if you see it on the outside of the car. What I like to do is to rub them down with a little dish soap, like some soapy water, and that'll usually help them slip off first. I'm gonna go after this inside one first before the outside one because I don't really have a lot of room for this one over here. With that one out, now I can go after the inside one, as you can see back there. There it is. Right side muffler's out, left side muffler will be done in 3, 2, there it is. Both of them are out. As you guys saw in the last video, this is my Remark BOSO Edition axleback exhaust. It's kind of reminiscent of a BOSO Zuko type of exhaust from Japan. Kind of that old school JDM stick really far out the bumper kind of exhaust. This I don't believe goes that far outside the bumper. It just kind of looks like it would. It does come with a license plate bracket, which is kind of neat, as well as all new exhaust hangers, gaskets, and hardware. Okay, my Remark BOSO axleback has been installed. Let's hear how it sounds fired up. Honestly, it looks super good. I'm gonna have to get it in better light once I'm done here, but let's hear it first and then I'll show you what it looks like in better lighting. That sounds so good. Oh my gosh. You can hear so much more Boxer Rumble. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm gonna make sure I get these suckers cleaned off perfectly, and then we'll do an actual sound comparison side by side at the end of the video. You guys hear that? Oh my gosh, that sounds good. This car sounds so much just growlier. It's like rumbling like crazy. I've never had that real, true Subaru Rumble before. Here, listen to it. It's the 3rd gear. First through 3rd. Look at those tips. Dude, they look good. Nice and blue tips. Oh, I love it. That looks amazing. There we go, everybody. This is the new Remark BOSO Edition axle back on a 2017 Subaru WRX STI. Oh man, I couldn't be happier right now. Like, it is loud, but it's not like obnoxiously so. It is gonna drone inside the car, but frankly, it doesn't really bother me that much. I'm just really happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you stay tuned for more Subaru stuff, for more Mazda stuff, and just generally enjoying car lifestyle. It's a good time. I'm having fun doing it. I can't wait to meet you guys. See you in the next video.